Hello children, back to the class. So we shall discuss here about the five kingdom system of classification. This was proposed by Whittaker, R.H. Whittaker. So we already saw that the two kingdom concept was given by Carolus Linnaeus, which included kingdom Animalia and kingdom Plantae. But we had certain difficulties like microbes and few other organisms were all put together in Plantae, which did not give a proper idea about classification. So then R.H. Whittaker, he introduced five kingdom concept, which includes kingdom Monera, kingdom Protista, kingdom Fungi, kingdom Plantae and kingdom Animaliae. So we shall discuss in detail now. So this is just an outline of the five kingdom classification. Kingdom Monera. So under kingdom Monera, it includes unicellular prokaryotes. What do you mean by prokaryotes, children? Prokaryotes. Karyotes meaning nucleus, and these organisms will not have proper nucleus. So you call this as no true nucleus. Okay. So cell wall usually present. So kingdom Monera, these are the common characters of kingdom Monera, but you can still find certain characters varying with organisms. Okay, so it has cell wall and it is made up of peptidoglycan layer. Peptidoglycan meaning it is made up of peptides, that is protein, and glycan meaning sugar. Then they are basically autotrophic or heterotrophic. So few can prepare its own food and few will totally rely on others for food. So kingdom Monera will include bacteria, cyanobacteria, blue-green algae. So these are basic examples that comes under kingdom Monera. You can find the different structures of bacteria here. These are rod-shaped bacteria. So when you want to classify bacteria, we have few types like, so these are rod-shaped bacteria. And you can find this bacteria in chains. So these are cocci. So you call the single unit is called cocci. If it is two, you call it as diplococci. If they are present in chains, you call it as cocci in chains. Okay. And this is the flagella or cilia. So some organisms will have flagella and some organisms will have cilia, which helps in locomotion. So these are certain forms of bacteria. Then coming to kingdom Protista, this includes unicellular eukaryotes. So what do you mean by unicellular? Single cell which does it doesn't have a different cell for performing each and every function. So the whole body is made up of only single cell. Then mostly unicellular, some colonies, so which means they live in groups. Eukaryotic meaning it has true nucleus. So here we found they have no proper nucleus, and here U meaning true, karyotic meaning true. So it has true nucleus. Then some have cell walls, example diatoms, and they are autotrophic, few are heterotrophic and few are mixotropic. So it has both the categories. Then examples amoeba, paramecium, euglena, diatoms. Coming to the third kingdom, kingdom fungi. So this fungi are basically multicellular eukaryotic organisms. So you know what are eukaryotes, which mean they have proper nucleus. Multicellular. So multicellular meaning it has different cell to perform each and every function. So mostly multicellular, yeast is unicellular. Eukaryotic, cell wall is present and the cell wall is made up of chitin. So this chitin is a hard material. It is heterotrophic, which means they totally rely on other. So basically a fungi will undergo saprotrophic mode of nutrition, which means they totally grow on dead and decayed organisms. So they absorb nutrients from the dead and decayed for survival. Then examples, mushroom, yeast, mold, rhizopus are example. Then we have kingdom Plantae. Kingdom Plantae. I think we already discussed Kingdom Plantae and Animaliae. Kingdom Plantae are multicellular eukaryotic organism. Cell wall present, which is made up of cellulose, and it contains chlorophyll. They are autotrophic. Example: moss, fern, pine, mango tree. Example. Then Kingdom Animalia. Kingdom Animalia, again they are multicellular eukaryotic organism. It has no cell wall. Heterotrophic, which means they undergo holozoic mode of nutrition, usually motile. Motile meaning they move. Examples: insects, fish, birds, humans, and lion. So you will read this in detail about Kingdom Plantae and Animalia in the third chapter. Okay, so this is just an outline of 5 kingdom concept.